How to outline a video or image on Capcut. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start the audio in time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on search bar and type Capcut. Now click on search. Now tap on Capcut Video Editor. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply tap on open. Now tap on edit at the bottom left corner. Now click on new project. Now select your video. Now tap on add. Now wait for some time. Now once you're done, simply select the clip. Now tap on effects. Now click on body effects. Now select the body effects or outline you want to add. Now tap on tick icon. Now once you're done, now select the border. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.